Now let's discover some interesting new words in the story. Snore means to make a loud breathing sound when someone is sleeping. Cover means to put something over something else. So, cover the ears means to put your hands over your ears to block sound. Peep means to look quickly or secretly, usually through a small space. Leap means to jump high or far, like a big, strong jump. Pull means to use your hand to bring something closer to you. Open means to take something from closed to not closed, like opening a door or a